はい、こんにちは。アスカ先生です。I'm Asuka Sensei, your Japanese teacher. Today I'm talking about Japanese word order. Yes, maybe you've heard that Japanese word order is relatively flexible compared to English word order, but let me show you general rules of word order. Okay, so let me give you an example sentence in English first. For example, I went to a park with my friend yesterday. Yes, so I went to a park with my friend yesterday. Yeah, can you see it? Sorry, a bit. Yeah, yes. So that's a normal, I think, English word order. Subject, who actually did it, comes first, and then verb, in this case, went, and then to a park, where you went, and with my friend, yeah, the person you went with, and then yesterday time expression. Yes, so the Japanese word order is, the general one is, we say like time expression comes first normally, time, and then subject, and then anything in the middle, yeah, and then normally object, and then lastly verb. So this is the Japanese word order. So if I change this English sentence into this Japanese word order, it looks like this. So yesterday comes first. Yesterday. Yeah, sorry. And then subject is I, yeah, and then anything in the middle, my friend with my friend, yeah, and then object is a park, in this case, to a park, and then verb is went, yeah. So this is a Japanese word order, but this is not the end. So let me show you. Oh, sorry, a bit. This part. Actually, our word order is my friend, and then with. Yeah. And then to object, a park, to. Yes. Yeah. All right. So, and then change it to the Japanese word, right? So, yesterday is kino. Everybody can read hiragana. I show you the alphabet. I is watashi. And then in Japanese language, we have the special word group called particles. Okay, so watashi wa, we are, we use, yes. So this is a bit special word in Japanese language, so I show you a red, yeah. And then my friend, tomodachi, we normally don't mention my, yes, tomodachi, and then with is to, okay, tomodachi, to a park, 公園, to is ni, particle, yes, and then when, 行きました, can you see it? Oh, yeah, this one, can you see it? 行きました. Yeah, so as you can see, very different word order. Time, subject, anything in the middle, and then object, and then verb. Of course, we can change a little bit. Yes, so sometimes time comes nearly the end. Yes, but the most important part comes to the end. This is the really big thing in Japanese language. So, for example, In this case, I went. Yeah. In English, you realize, okay, went. Yes, so past tense. So you can understand, oh, this is a past tense sentence. So this person is talking about past event. Yeah. But in Japanese language, well, if someone says the time expression, you can recognize, oh, kino, yesterday, yes, it should be past, yes. But if someone didn't mention this part, you never know what comes at the end. Yes, because the past tense part, the verb, come at the end. So it's a little bit, Japanese language require your patience. Yes. So this is the ikimashita, past tense, but it can be ikimasu. If it's ikimasu, it means future. I will go to. Yeah. And then ikimasu ka, this is question. Yes. So question come at the end. So the general word order is this one, and then you can see normally the most important part of the sentence come at the end in the Japanese language. So you have to be patient and then listen carefully or read carefully. Okay? See you next time. さよなら。またね。